Good evening, everybody. We've got a line of some showers and thunderstorms out here. They're broken. They're lifting up from the south and west to the northeast at about 30 miles per hour. Some of the stronger storms have had some pea-sized to half-inch size hail with these. As we zoom in on the live Doppler scan, we've got a couple of these across Kent County, some scattered storms across Ottawa County and down into southern portions of Allegan County, into South Haven and northern portions of Van Buren County. There's been some frequent lightning with these, some brief heavy downpours and a little bit of wind. Again, none of these are expected to be on the severe side. They'll be on the maybe strong to have a little bit of a punch to them, but that'll be it, and they should be out of here over the next 4 hours or so. 63 right now in Grand Rapids. All of us, in fact, in the 60s, very mild, except for Big Rapids and Mount Pleasant, have fallen into the 50s. These were high temperatures today. We got 72 in Grand Rapids and Chicago. We're going to be tapping a southwest wind tomorrow, so some of this really warmer air is going to get pinched off down to the south and east, but we should be able to get our temperatures back into the upper 60s to around the 70-degree mark tomorrow, with partly sunny to mostly cloudy skies. You can see how the flow is here, all coming up from the south and west. A lot of the bigger band of rain have actually been off to our north right now, but there's a frontal system kind of draped right over the area north of the front. The temperature is quite cool, but you can see the extensive cloudiness. Here's a low pressure area and that frontal boundary right here. What will happen is that will eventually press off to the east. We could see a couple of showers tomorrow, but there's only about a 30% chance of that. The bigger system is going to be this great big powerful fall storm, this developing low pressure area. And I want to speak to you folks that are really the science fanatics and you have barometers at home. If you have a barometer at home, the forecast models are showing that this will get down to about 28.28 inches of mercury or 958 millibars. Now think back in 1975 in November, the big Edmund Fitzgerald storm that sunk that ship. That one was 28.85 inches of mercury or 977 millibars. So technically, this system will be lower pressure, deeper and stronger than that one. I think a lot of us folks that are probably middle-aged remember the big Edmund Fitzgerald storm. And the other thing that I'll mention is the National Weather Service says this may be some of the strongest winds that we've seen coming through here since the big November 10th storm back in 1998 with all those winds. So this is going to be a big deal. You can see the line, very well-defined line of strong to maybe severe convection. That's thunderstorms that'll be coming through here on Tuesday morning. Some of those could produce some straight line damaging winds. It's going to be windy on the front side of that system. It's going to be windy on the back side of it. We're talking sustained winds for the area through Tuesday and Wednesday of 30 to 40 miles per hour with maybe some 50 to 60 mile per hour gusts, especially at the lakeshore. So again, folks, tie everything down. Take this very seriously because this is a big, powerful storm that's going to be swinging on through here. Here's a look at what's going on as far as our forecast for tomorrow. We'll see a few showers and thunderstorms over the next few hours. I can't rule out the possibility of a shower tomorrow, but I think a lot of the day will be dry, partly sunny to mostly cloudy. 60s across our northern counties. We may make 70 in Grand Rapids and low 70s along and south of the I-94 corridor tomorrow with a southwest wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour. So the wind really doesn't come in until after midnight on Monday. Then we see those showers and thunderstorms on Tuesday. The temperature on Tuesday at 68 occurs early because it'll fall throughout the day. Wednesday will still be windy with highs only around 60. Breezy on Thursday with some lake effect and lake enhanced cloudiness, maybe a couple of showers. Friday looks good, Saturday looks good, and Sunday is already Halloween. We could see a few showers, but they should be out of here in time for the trick-or-treaters at night. If you want more information on this, go to fox17online.com. I've posted a big fall weather story right up there online, so it's right there. You get a little more information on it and more on the Edmund Fitzgerald sinking too there.
So you're saying Tuesday is a bad day to go out on Lake Michigan?
To go out on the lake, don't do it. But to go out and take pictures from the beach is a great idea. Just please, please stay off the jetties and pier. Not a safe place to be.
Sounds good. Thanks, Kevin.
All righty.
Celine Dion gets double the joy. The singer giving birth